I understand you had an interesting role in the merger. So you were responsible for kind of merging the marketing department. So what kind of challenges did you face there?
Yes, exactly. Let's start with that. So Dell and EMC merged, and that was the largest merger in IT history. So massive deal, obviously. And I was asked at some point to project manage the marketing integration project for EMEA.
Right.
And what was super interesting about that role was actually that well before the actually closing day, we needed to make the plan in place to get ready for our external exposure on day one, and to prepare the outside world, but also prepare the inside world to make people ready for that day one. And the cool thing was, but also the challenging thing was that two existing marketing teams in EMEA had to work together. And they knew, of course, that at some point, maybe in the future, they were actually working together with the person that would maybe take over their role.
Yeah.
And the brilliant thing, and I really am very impressed with that, is the team mentality. So everybody on that team, without knowing their potential own future role, was just working to make this a big success.
So how did you get that energy going?
The structure was that we kind of defined a set of work streams, and we broke a big project down in smaller parts.
Right.
And then we made one EMC and one Dell person responsible together for that work stream.
That's clever.
And so they worked very well together in owning that work stream. Yeah.
And what about the technologies? If as we're so reliant on technology, did you have two competing technology stacks or platforms for marketing that were going to rub up against one another? How did you solve that one?
Inside marketing, actually it was a lot of difference, but also a lot of similarities. And probably the big difference was that EMC is aimed at a smaller amount of very large customers,
right.
And Dell traditionally had more like an approach of many customers, but somewhat smaller. So the type of approaches in marketing is also is quite different. Let's say high touch marketing for those massive accounts. And more marketing at scale for like thousands and thousands of somewhat smaller accounts. So the approach are different, but at the end of the day, we had the same CRM tools. We did have a bit of a different philosophy in measurements and tracking, for example, pipeline and leads. But overall, the philosophy was very similar. Yeah. So it was very complementary as well. So yeah, we could get the best of both worlds, if you like.